Simplify the expression 4 over x plus 3 minus 2 over x minus 3. Well, first we want to find the LCD. So our LCD, well, we don't have any. Let's look at the denominators, x plus 3, x minus 3. We don't have anything that's in common, but we do have each expression, x plus 3, x minus 3. So that's our LCD. So we're going to convert each fraction into having a common denominator. Okay, so we wanted to say x plus 3, x minus 3. So I want you to think about it. We want a common denominator of x plus 3, x minus 3. So what will we have to multiply? Okay, here we go. This is what we want our denominator to say, x plus 3, x minus 3. What will we have to multiply this first fraction by for it to say x plus 3, x minus 3 in its denominator? Well, in the denominator, you have x plus 3 in the denominator, but what's missing is x minus 3. So we're going to times the first fraction by x minus 3. Okay? Then the second fraction, we have 2 over x minus 3. We want our denominator to say x plus 3, x minus 3. Well, if x minus 3 is already there, we're going to multiply the second fraction by x plus 3. And that's our LCD, our common denominator. So our numerator, we're going to place it all on one line. We have 4 times x minus 3. So our x minus 3 minus 2 times x plus 3. So that's what we have here. All over the LCD, the common denominator, x plus 3, x minus 3. So what we want to do next is look at your numerator. We're only focusing on the numerator right now because we found our LCD, our denominator. There's nothing that we can do here. But our numerator, we want to get rid of the parentheses by using the distributive property. So we're going to distribute the 4 to the x. We have 4x. The 4 to the minus 3, we have minus 12. Then we're going to take the minus 2, or we can say negative 2, and we're going to distribute that to the x and to the 3. So negative 2 times x, we have negative 2x. And negative 2 times 3, we have negative 6 all over your LCD, x plus 3, x minus 3. Your numerator, combine like terms, 4x minus 2x, we have 2x, and then we have negative 12 minus 6, which gives us negative 18 over the LCD. Once we combine the numerator or combine your like terms that's housed in the numerator, we're going to factor. Okay, so we have to simplify, and then at the end we're going to try to factor. Or factor, and then we're going to see if there are any factors or any pairs that we can divide out. Okay, so when we factor our numerator, we have 2 over x minus 9. Well, the 2x minus 18, we factor out a 2, we're left with x minus 9. I don't see anything that we can, any pairs that's common to the numerator and denominator that we can cancel out. Now, looking at your answer choices, okay, now if you looking at your answer choices, let me answer that first. We do not have 2 times x minus 9, but or because it was not factored. But we do want to factor each question to simplest terms as possible. Okay. So, but because we don't have it in factored form, we want to choose the answer that we see for this particular question. So we see here that it has 2x minus 18 over x plus 3x minus 3. But remember, we want to reduce to simplest form if possible. Okay, so we are done.